I'm Peter, and this is the Plixer Lightboard series. The Plixer One Observability and Defense platform allows you to see more, know more, and do more across your entire hybrid infrastructure, offering continuous insight and optimization. So let's take a quick look exactly how Plixer One does that. So let's make our quadrant here. Got 4 areas to talk about now. Everything begins with data collection. So we collect the data, and that would be NetFlow, SFlow, IPFix, SNMP, logs, etc. So a central spot to collect all that network telemetry data. Now, if you need that data, say if you have other collectors somewhere or you need to move it to, a security appliance and such, we'll get to that in a moment. So let's just put SIM here. So ITSMs. We'll just hold that for there and we'll get back to it. So first off, we collect the data. So see more. Next, we analyze. Analyze the data. And so you're able to dig into like real time and historical data. This is also where AI and ML can come into play to be able to proactively detect bottlenecks, potentially detect threats. So seeing all the data, knowing what's going on with that data, potentially even congestions, maybe make some predictions, prognosis for planning ahead. So get the data, see, know, and then over here is respond. So taking action after you get it, you know what's going on, is then taking action. And so that's why I put these down here, because these might be other collectors. You might want to use that network data in these appliances to do more, reporting, metrics, what have you. So built into Plixer One is Plixer Replicator, UDP Replicator. So if you need it passed on to other devices, that's what you would do in this spot. And so this is also all about, NOC, SOC, so, workbooks or workflows and playbooks, things like that would be here in the respond area. And then finally, optimize. Optimize. And this one obviously is all about reducing, what's up with my pens lately? Oh, look at that, nice. Mean time to repair or mean time to recovery. So being able to, detect and remediate any issues that are found along the way in a quick manner, making sure, the user experience is kept at the highest level. And so that's how Plixer One does all this for you. This is see, know, do, and then, like any good CI/CD process, right? Just continue to optimize this all the way through. If you like content like this, well, first off, if you want to learn more about the Plixer One Observability and Defense platform, obviously won't fit up there. You go to Plixer.com. This is supposed to be an R. I'm Peter. Always sign your work. If you enjoy content like this, especially the Lightboard, please hit that like and subscribe. And if you know someone who's in a NOC, a SOC, network engineer, CISO, heck, forward this on to them if they need a little bit more visibility or are struggling with compliance or just overall observability within their infrastructure. I'm Peter. Thanks for watching.